Hello, I'm Mrs. Davis, and today we're going to talk about the food web. A food web shows how food energy moves from organism to organism and an ecosystem. This food web shows food energy movement in a desert ecosystem. Each ecosystem, including jungles, lakes, and forests, has a unique food web. A food web is a collection of overlapping food chains. For example, in this ecosystem, food energy in one food chain moves from the sun to the sagebrush to the squirrel and finally to the coyote. Another food chain includes the sun, the cactus, the pronghorn, and the mountain lion. For most ecosystems, the initial source of energy is the sun. Producers, such as the sagebrush and other plants, use the sun's energy and make food through the process of photosynthesis. This food energy is then available to other organisms in the food chain. Animals that eat producers or other animals are called consumers. As one organism eats another, the energy moves through the ecosystem. Many other food chains make up this food web. Keep in mind that this food web does not show all of the feeding relationships in this ecosystem. The animals shown here are likely also parts of other food webs. To summarize, in the food web shown here, energy moves from the sun to the producers to consumers. The producers here use sunlight and produce energy through photosynthesis. Most food chains start with the sun, but scientists have discovered a very different type of food web in the deepest parts of the ocean. Sunlight cannot penetrate this far underwater. Instead, producers get energy from sulfur that spews out of hot vents on the ocean floor. Certain bacteria use this sulfur and produce food energy, which can then be passed from producer to consumer, just as it is in sun-based food webs.